Volume and projection. Volume and projection help facilitate smooth communication by aiding listeners in better understanding what is being said. Volume is the degree of loudness or the intensity of sound. It is vital that speakers adjust their volume accordingly so that listeners can hear every word being said. Such a loud voice may annoy or distract listeners, while too soft a voice might lead to listeners not being able to hear words. Projection, on the other hand, refers to how speakers control the volume, clarity, and distinctness of their voice to be more audible. Good projection helps speakers present their thoughts well. Additionally, good projection is a way to express or convey emotions. It can also be used to alert listeners that something important is about to be said. When it comes to projection, pronunciation is crucial as it helps speakers elucidate correctly what they want to say. Pronunciation also lends speakers credibility, as listeners are more likely to believe speakers who are able to pronounce every word correctly. Thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you!